Saturday. I am cooking some dinner. I got some lamb meat. I'm doing loaded sweet potatoes. So I got some lamb meat, little black pepper, onions, peppers, and a little garlic salt, black pepper. Cooking this up really good. Then I got some chicken tenderloins I'm gonna cook. And get them together. My potatoes are boiling. I got my onions already cut up for topping, lettuce cut up. I gotta dice some tomatoes. So we're gonna let that cook and I'll let you see it when it's. Alright y'all, now it's the chicken. I'm done with the lamb. Alright guys, the chicken is done. Dice these up real quick. These are the little ones. I'm gonna cut this up, guys. Cut these tomatoes. I already got the onions done. So we're having chicken and lamb. Tomatoes and spinach and onions and cheese. Okay guys, here's the chicken and the lamb. I need to cover it until the the sweet potatoes get done. And then we are gonna put them together. I got the cheese still in the fridge. Just open them up, put some butter on them. Oh, they tender, they getting there. Yes. See, they boil quicker than they bake. That's why I did a boil. See, look at that. Next week I'm going to do a different tablescape. I'm going to clean my living room and dust in here, and I'm just going to. Okay, so the sweet potatoes done. I got all the fillings. Alright guys, so I'm about to slice these open. They are nice and hot and well cooked. Right now I'm just going to add spinach under the meat. That's the chicken, and then he want lamb on one. Both of them. baby girl just wants chicken. Peppers, tomatoes, cheese. Maybe we don't want no cheese. Let's do some cheese. Both of cheese. Put these in the oven. I'll be back to show you the finished result. All right, you guys, look at how beautiful they look. Listen, I don't know how this gonna work, but it's gonna have to work. So pretty.